Hi! Have photos of several ID documents, but need one clean PDF? Here's how to create one in your browser in just a few minutes. With ID2PDF, you can turn them into a printable page directly in your browser. Start by choosing your images. In this example, we add 3 sample document photos. You can rotate the image, then save the adjustment. Open a photo and adjust the crop by moving its 4 corners. Reorder the document photos to arrange them on the page as you need. Open the PDF Advanced Settings to choose the output page size of 4 or US letter, and adjust the spacing between the document photos. Use the preview to check the page before you generate the file. Generate the PDF and download the finished document. The result opens ready to review. When printing, select 100% scale to preserve the ID at its original 1:1 size. Ready to try it? Go to ID2PDF.com. The link is in the description below. I'll wonder how you ever lived without it.